Outcome harvesting is a monitoring and evaluation tool that can enhance learning for adaptive programming and can help making your results visible. Outcome harvesting consists of 6 steps nurtured by 9 principles. The first step is the design of the outcome harvest, where the scope of the harvest is defined and monitoring or evaluation questions are formulated to guide the process. During the design step, roles are defined: who should engage in the process, when and where. Harvesters are those who facilitate the identification and formulation of outcomes. The change agents are the people who contributed to the change. This could, for example, be you, your organization, civil society organizations, or community members. A social actor is an individual, a group, a community, an organization, or an institution that has changed behavior as a result of your intervention. For example, this could be a politician, a government, or a social group. Finally, the harvest users are the people who make decisions or take action based on the findings. These could be the harvesters and change agents themselves, but also others, like management. The second step includes reviewing documentation and drafting potential outcome statements. It involves reading documents such as reports, minutes, evaluations, or press releases, which might lead to the formulation of outcome statements. These potential outcome statements are a good starting point to engage with the implementing team, social actors, or other knowledgeable people in formulating the outcome statements. However, if no such documents exist, you go directly to Step 3. In Step 3, you engage with human sources to formulate outcome statements. This is where you will engage the participation of those who have the most knowledge of the changes that have taken place. You pose the question: who changed because of what we did? Who did we influence? Keep in mind that outcomes are observable changes in behavior that your intervention contributed to. Fortunately, outcome harvesting is flexible in how you can collect this data. Interviews, surveys, focus groups, workshops, or emails are all acceptable means of collecting outcomes. Formulating outcome statements takes practice, so this process should involve dialogue back and forth with an experienced harvester. The fourth step is substantiation, which is an external review or fact check of the outcome statements. Here, individuals who are independent but knowledgeable about the changes your intervention has achieved provide information to verify your outcomes in order to strengthen credibility and deepen understanding. Documents can also substantiate an outcome or parts of it. What is credible enough for you depends on the uses of your harvest and whether it is for evaluation or monitoring. In some cases, substantiation by internal sources will be credible enough. The harvest has ended and you are ready for Step 5, Analysis and Interpretation. According to your organization's needs, you sort and categorize the outcomes to make sense of what changed, which actors you influenced, what worked well, and what did not work well. In other words, you answer the monitoring or evaluation questions. Often, you visually map the outcomes to identify patterns and trends. Finally, the sixth and essential step is to support use of the results of your analysis. As mentioned, you use outcome harvesting to answer your harvest questions. You can also assess whether your theory of change is up to date or you are making the right assumptions. This will be the basis on which you can make decisions about your future interventions.